What's up, everybody, and welcome back to another video. So in today's video, I'm going to do a walk around on this truck, my 2013 Chevy Silverado. I've been getting a lot of questions in the comments about like, what's the lift kit on this? How big is the lift kit? How big are the wheels and tires? What kind of exhaust kit I have? All kinds of stuff. So I'm going to see if I can't answer some of those questions right now. And this truck's got a 6-inch Pro Comp lift on it. That's probably the #1 question I get asked about this truck. How big is the lift and what kind of lift? So it is a Pro Comp. And it's just a puck spacer. And then I think if it's got a 6-inch puck spacer up front and then a 4-inch block in the rear, so it levels the truck out. Tires. BF Goodwrench All-Terrain KO2s. And there you can see 35, 12, 50, 18s. 18-inch wheels. So as far as things I've done, I haven't done too many things to this truck besides the lift kit and tires and wheels. But I do have this AMF disabler, which I have other videos on my channel. If you want to check those out, you can see what this does. But it basically disables the 4-cylinder mode, so it stays in 8-cylinder mode all the time. It's made by Diablo Sport. And the second thing I've done is I did a cold air intake on this truck. It's a K&N, it's all black. And I've got a Flowmaster Outlaw catback system on it. It's got dual black tips. What's up, guys? Let's take a ride. Sorry if the camera shakes. I'm trying to hold this with one hand and drive. Crap, that is shaking bad. Just 1 second. I don't know if this is going to be any better, but anyway, I thought I would take a drive, let you guys listen to the exhaust. Love the sound of the exhaust on this truck. It's probably the best investment I made so far on this truck. But if you guys have, if you're wondering, if you have any questions about the exhaust, I'll leave a link to that, to my Flowmaster catback system exhaust link down below. I might also leave a playlist to this truck, a link to that as well. But I would love for you guys to subscribe, click the thumbs up on this video, and check out my other videos. We're almost to my destination here. And then I'll be shutting you guys off for a minute. Going to this little country store again. It's just up the road from where I live. I do have a vlog video that shows it in it as well, if you want to check that out. I'll be right back. Oh Lord, you guys, look at this car. Wow. Let's get out of here. That place is such a cool old store. I love coming here. Like if I need to get anything small, I'll come here and buy it. Support the local small business. Well, there's a kind of a cool old Toyota. Probably like a rock crawling machine. See if I can't give you guys a little exhaust sound with the window down. Tickle the throttle. Well guys, I think I'm going to end this video here. I hope you all have a good morning, good afternoon, and good night. And I will see you on the next one. Take care.